You have to cast me. You have to cast me. It was marriage from day one to now. कल shoot तो नहीं है क्या मैं और सो सकती हूँ? Oh yeah, you need to cover this dark stuff. They call me a 90s heroine who refuses to.
Hi Nusrat, welcome to Girls Gotta Talk.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Nusrat, I just saw your trailer of Chalang and I love it. What was that one thing that attracted you to the script?
A combination of things actually. I can't say there was just one thing that made me say yes to this, or it was not even a yes or no question. I was very adamant that I want to do this. Like I was like, "Hi, you have to cast me. You have to cast me." It was a film about children, which also catered to a larger audience, जहाँ बच्चे उनके parents और teachers बैठ के देख सके. I felt like it was really funny because it was a sports comedy, which there are few of them. And I love watching cricket, and I'm a full like sports person. So I like that spirit that sports has. And also Hansal sir directing, one of the directors I really wanted to work with. And I said, I really want to do this film. Or I think it was a great sort of combination of destiny that Hansal sir himself said that I would love to do this with Nusrat. Let's take the film to her. And Love sir was like, yeah, wo to mare ja rahi hai, log kar lo baat. And it just happened.
Did this film take you back to your school days?
The kids took me back to school because, and also we shot the film in a school. So when I walked into the location, there was a staff room and there were classrooms and blackboards and benches. So it felt like we were back in school just by being on set. And then to that you add all the kids that were in the school and were acting in the film as well, which just made us feel like हम उसी क्लास से अभी बाहर निकले हैं, हम टीचर तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है.
So I'm going to play a quick game with you. We call it the dirty laundry, where I'm going to throw in some random questions at you and you have to put your witty hat on.
You're an ex for a reason. Naughty. I love both. If you know what you are in your real world, the world of Instagram should not phase you out. All the time. First film to the next. But I'm glad those tags are there because it gives me more of a motivation to break them and to try something new. Not voicing my opinion. I feel like I want to voice it only when I truly know everything about it, which is a well-informed voice, and also a voice which comes from within. I don't want to voice an opinion for the sake of voicing an opinion. I have to be responsible and aware of that. Cheating on me. Has been asking me since 7-8 years now. So there was no certain age. It was marriage from day one to now. No, I feel like people who truly believe that getting married and having a family and taking care of children and the man and the in-laws and your own parents is exactly what they want to do, then kudos to them. I think that's great. I think it's a lot of work. It takes immense sacrifice on your part to kind of put the rest of your house and your world before you. What needs to be changed is to allow the person to make the choice for themselves, on their own. You cannot tell her कि ये मत करो. If she says कि मुझे 17-18 years में शादी करके settle हो जाना है, her choice. But if you have a girl who says, I don't want to get married, I want to do this, then that's the happiness she chooses. I feel the change has to come in accepting their choices, not kind of imposing yours. कल shoot तो नहीं है क्या मैं और सो सकती हूँ? उठना तो नहीं है? Did I miss a deadline? Did I miss a call time? Have I overslept? Did the alarm not ring? That's the only stress I have. I think the more we talk about feminism, the more we take away from it, because if you want to say it's here and it's normal, then stop making an issue out of it. You don't need to have a term or something or a movement like feminism to kind of lend to you and give you that support. There are people who do need it. They come from worlds and environments where they don't have that support. Maybe there they do need it. But I feel like kind of leaning on it when it's not needed is just, it just feels like, what's the point? You're taking away the power that you want to give me. I'm very happy I'm in this day and age where the age literally doesn't matter. You can still do older parts. You can still do more stories. You can transition in and out of films where they don't ask you, "Hi, we want to cast an actress who is actually 24 years old." You could be much older and look 24, and you could still get the part. I feel that is something I'm blessed to be a part of right now. Otherwise, तो मतलब क्या करती मैं बता दो. I mean, I don't know talent है कि नहीं, but एक अभी तो secret भी नहीं है. मैं शायरी लिखती हूँ यार, या लिखती थी, अभी बहुत टाइम से लिखा नहीं है. They'd call me a 90s heroine who refuses to accept that she's in a new age now. The drama is the same, the reactions are the same, and I think I should have a show around me which says keeping up with the drama, because I swear if you keep a camera on me 24/7, you will be entertained. What his thoughts are on a more progressive and a more sort of leveled out relationship and a life together. I would definitely pick my Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's like this translucent powder which just goes well with everything. I would pick my Huda Bombshell lipstick because it looks amazing on any color, on any outfit. I would pick my mascara. I definitely would pick my under eye corrector, which is from Bobbi Brown, because oh yeah, you need to cover those dark circles. And 5, my eyebrow pencil.
Nushrat, thank you so much for talking to me, and I wish you all the very best for your film.
Thank you so much.